fucked it up. Why are you filming from this angle? Right here. Okay. Hey, my name is Aaron Almeida, and today, what the fuck am I doing with my hands? Alright. Hey, my name is Aaron Almeida, and today we're gonna learn the slapping 50-50. Slap 50-50 seems easy, it's kind of complicated. What you want to do is you want to come at an angle like this, and then when you get to right here, you want to kind of lift up on your front foot, and you want to like push it, and then you're going to like stand on top of it and put your weight on the curb. And I don't know, that's how you slap 50-50.